Hey everyone, it's Maddie, and today's video is going to be a Disney room tour. I did this about a year ago in the fall, and everyone seemed to really like it. I got a lot of views on that one and a lot of comments saying that I should do it again in the future. So I'm back. In the last video, I was moving out of that house, so I was showing you before I moved. And now I'm in the house that I was moving to, and I've decorated it, and I hope you enjoy. So this is the overview when you first walk into my room. And we're gonna start over here. So this is kind of the little area that I set some of my stuff down. Usually my phone or my keys will be here. So this is my calendar. This is the one I got for Christmas. And then on my light switch, I actually have a photo booth strip from me and my friends, a little trip to the mall. And then I have my ticket here. I think this is for Bush. Yeah, this is for Bush. And then I have this stool right here that I use to get to the top of my shelves in here, as well as just set some of my stuff down. I have my flask here, and I have my iPad, which is fun. So then we have my closet, which I will be doing a separate video on if you guys would like it. It's super messy right now, and I don't think I'd want to show that anyway. And then this little area is kind of my nerdy area. So starting with the top right here, I have all of my ears, and this is just my teeny little collection. I'd like to grow it bigger, and maybe one day I can outline my entire room with them. But I will start over here. These are custom ears from Mouseketeers Boutique, and I did a video on those. Link will be in the description box. And then these are just some fairy ears, my Jack Skellington ears, my Star Wars light up ears, my Fantasia ears, my classic mini ears, and my rose gold ears. Now let's move on to this over here. This is my plushie / doll collection. I have some more on my bed, but this is kind of where I put the rest of them. So I have this little couch thingy that I got forever ago. I believe it's from Target. And then I have a ton of little plushies. So first I have, oh my gosh, I just discovered something while filming this. So these are my Lady and the Tramp plushes, and they have their little spaghetti noodle in their mouth. And I love these plushes. I love Lady and the Tramp in general. And I just realized that their noses are magnetic. Then I have my Frozen Fever Elsa and Anna plushies that I saw in Epcot and I wanted so bad, so I ordered them when I got home for my trip. And then I have these two little comic strips, or not comic strips, comic books, and they are vintage. They're from the 70s, and I just placed them there. So next I have my Disneyland 60th anniversary mini plush, and then I have my Woody Mickey plush. I have this little plush that my little sister Lucy gave me, this mini one, and then I have a little vintage Captain Hook one right here that I got at a thrift store. I have this talking Olaf that I turn off because he just will randomly talk all the time. And then I have all of my Animators Collection dolls. So this one isn't an Animators Collection. This one is just kind of the same style as them. And this is a baby Moana. Her hair clip actually broke. But she just sits there. She's got sandy feet and stuff. Super cute. And then I have all of my Animators Collection dolls. I know most collectors like to keep them in the box, but I like to taking them out so they can be displayed. And so I have Aurora, Merida, Rapunzel, Anna, Kristoff, Cinderella, and Ariel. I have a Alice in Wonderland collection little set. I like these sets as well, but I prefer the dolls. But I saw this set and I thought it was really cute because of all the little details like the roses and the little croquet set and stuff like that. And then I just have a bunch of random binders. On this wall I have a bunch of different things. First, I have these little wooden boards that I have gotten from all over the place, and they are just Spider-Man comic book covers. And then all of these paintings, these beautiful princess paintings, were done by one of my dad's friends, and she's super talented. And then this is just a little paint thing that I made a long time ago, and I thought it was cute, so I kept it up. So right next to these paintings, I have these two wooden letters. This one my mom bought somewhere, and I added the seashells, and that was a long time ago. And then this one I made myself, and it's MH for my initials. And then in the middle, I have a Jungle Cruise map, which you can get when you ask your skipper after you've rode the ride. Next to that, I have a shelf. So this shelf has a lot of different things going on it. So first above it, I have this picture collage thing. It doesn't have glass because I broke it a long time ago. And then next to it, I just have a scripture reading chart. And then below that is the actual bookshelf. And on top of this bookshelf, I have these stones that I got from Disneyland. And then I have some pressed pennies in there as well. I have miscellaneous Disney tattoos and stickers and a little coaster with my siblings on it. And then I have one of these little thingies. I don't remember the name of these. Well, there's the name of them right there. I don't even know how to pronounce that. But they're the new little things that they came out with that are similar to Tsum Tsums. And then I have all of my Duffies from Epcot. And I have this cute Disney mug that actually broke in the mail. So the Disney store is awesome, and they sent me another one. So I just glued the handle on this one, and I use it for pencils and pens. And I have this cute little hidden Mickey straw. And then next to it, I have my Tsum Tsum collection, which I'm pretty proud of. I know it's a little bit small, but I'm still building it, I guess, and I think it looks super cute. And then I have some random Pokemon cards, and if you're wondering why those are there, it's because they go in my binder, and I have yet to find my binder. I kind of lost my Pokemon card binder, so I need to find that. And then I have a bunch of different buttons, all sorts of fun ones, happy birthday ones, Disney World ones, Disneyland ones, etc. So then, going down here, I have my Disney mug collection. I do have a couple at my mom's house as well, but this is for the most part what I have. So I just have a couple of different fun ones up here. I need to do an updated Disney mug collection because I've done that before on my channel. And then on the second shelf, I have all of the movies that I own, like I bought with my money, because my parents obviously have a ton of Disney movies, but I want to build my own collection. And then I have a ton of little hard Tsum Tsums. I have Disney collectibles and figurines and like mystery packages, stuff like that. And then I have this cute little mini plush, and I have 2 emoji plushes, some, what are these called? Not Beanie Boos. I don't remember the name of them, but you know, you can get them at like every gas station in America. And then 2 little Disney clips, a hat that my best friend Taylor got for me for my birthday from Disneyland. And then I have this little Darth Vader head that has trading cards inside. And then on the bottom shelf, I have books. I have more books at my mom's house, but these are just some random ones that I happen to have here, including my favorite collection of stories, which is the Match series. That's my favorite book series. And then right next to that, I have my little bin that's my tithing jar for when I do my tithing. And then a trash can, a little DIY Disney set that I have yet to use. Now we are over here, and this is one of my favorite parts of my room because I love watching movies. This is my TV that I have. Don't ask me what kind it is. I know nothing about TVs. My dad just got this one for me. And then I have this cute little Mickey Mouse photo holder. I absolutely love it. And I just have this cute little Disney card in it. Maybe one day I'll print out a cute little picture, but for now, that's what's there. Then I have these 3 Cars die-cast cars. They're super cute. I want to get the Doc Hudson one. And then I have my Blu-ray player, which is super fun. I don't really use these drawers for clothes anymore. They kind of just have random things in them. So in this first drawer, I have a ton of different, like, Barbies. I have this vintage Barbie. I have Disney Barbies. I have this random For Real Friends thing. Some Monster High dolls, a Monster High plush, and then these Monster High minis that I started to collect. In this drawer, I have, again, a bunch of random things. I have these little dinosaur plastic toys, this Monster High Create a Monster whatever thing, and then some Lalaloopsies and Little's Pet Shops. Just some random toys that I don't like to display, but I haven't gotten rid of yet. And then those bottom 2 drawers are empty. Right here below my TV, I have my Super Nintendo And this is my dad's old Super Nintendo. We used to play it all the time when we were little kids, and my dad let me have it. So I have it in here, and then right next to it I have all of the games. I don't have a lot of games. We used to have Street Fighter over here as well, but my brothers lost that when we were little kids. So I only have 6 games over here. I think I bought about 3 of these, and I'm trying to get more. They're just kind of expensive because they're vintage. So I have all sorts of fun ones. I think my favorite one to play right now would be Legend of Zelda or Battletoads and Battle Maniacs. Right here I have a drawer thingy that's just full of random stuff. I have to clean. This right here is my pin book. As you can see right here, this is where I have a lot of my pins. These are all my favorite ones. But in here I kind of keep, I've started to keep anyway. I'm new to pin collecting. I have some of my pins in here. And I have some right here, etc. So that's where I keep that. And then above that I have my Coco poster, which now thinking about it, I probably should have put it over there, but whatever. And then I have some seashell necklaces from, I believe, Hawaii. And then 3 little Disney figurine, collectible, random thingies. And then my lanyard, which I love. And they're all hanging on this little M thing. I don't remember where I got it from. So right next to my bed, I just have some of my own personal copies of slime. And I have ones that are made by me that I've had. I have some store-bought ones. I have ones from certain slime shops. So those just sit there. And then I have my notebook, and I use this notebook to plan out everything I do on a daily basis just to keep my life in check. And then right next to it is my favorite part of the room, my bed. This is my bed. It is the same bedding I had last time. There's a couple new things about it. So this bed set is from Target, and then I have this blanket that I got a few Christmases ago. I have this Cheshire cat that I got from my dad's friend, the same friend that painted those pictures over there. And then I have a Dumbo plush and a regular Mickey Mouse plush. Then I have this Junior Encyclopedia of Animated Characters that my grandma got me for my birthday, and the remote to my TV. And this is what I'm watching right now.
You don't want to get copyrighted.
I won't get copyrighted. So that's it for that. Usually I have a Disney movie playing in here because most of the movies I own are Disney movies. But Coraline is one of my favorites, so that's the one that I have in right now. And then I have a bunch of different plushies right here. I have this alien plush from Toy Story. I have Flounder here, a Merida plush, Mickey and Minnie emojis. I have this Animators Collection Rapunzel one, and then an Anna one. And then in here I have a bunch of random stuff, and then on top of that I have a bunch of beachy ocean stuff, and then I have this beautiful painting that my friend Rena did for me. It's like me as a mermaid. And then those are all just some Polaroid pictures that I hung up on a string. And then right in front of my bed I have this really awesome canvas picture. Then right next to that, coming full circle back to the end of my room, I have these little hooks that hold like towels and purses, a camera, hats, jackets, etc. And underneath that I have my laundry bin and an old magnet board, and then I have a bunch of binders and scriptures and random miscellaneous games and stuff. And then I have my little Curious George that I've had ever since I was a little kid. That was it for this Disney room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm pretty satisfied with how my room looks right now, and I'm looking forward to going to college and decorating a dorm in the near future. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!